A candlelight vigil along with prayers was held at Mau Market in Imphal on Thursday evening, mourning the death of two individuals in Ukhrul district. A large number of people, all dressed in traditional attire, gathered at the market, lighting candles and offering prayers for the departed souls. The gathering reflected a strong sense of unity and solidarity, with attendees expressing grief over the tragic incident. The program was jointly organized by the Naga People's Union Imphal and the All Naga Students Association Manipur. Two Naga MLAs, Leshio Kaishing, Phungyar AC and Kashim Vashum Chingai AC also attended the vigil, joining the public in paying tribute and extending condolences to the bereaved families.
Solidarity with the bereaved family members and friends. On 18th of April 2026, these two civilian lives